Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Gaggia classic espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because no water was coming out, and that was basically the water pump that needed to be replaced. And we also replaced the water tank. As you can see, this one is really cracked and definitely needed to be replaced. It was just leaking all over the place. And now we're going to test out the machine. We only replaced the water pump and replaced the water tank. That's it. That's all we did on this machine. I need to be a little bit more finer for this machine to actually completely extract all the coffee. And there you go. The machine might actually need a tune-up, so basically that means removing the shower head, deep cleaning pretty much everything inside, as well as deep cleaning the portafilter and descale the machine. But we only replace the water pump and we only replace the water tank on this machine. So thank you for playing with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And as you can see, water comes out. Thanks for watching.